Selling low margin products on Amazon, stop wasting PPC spend and do this instead. Now I'm going to be showing you 4 different strategies, and you can see right here, our PPC spend is pretty darn good. Spending $200, getting $3,000 in return with a 6% ACoS, but it wasn't always like this. And the first thing that you want to do is lower your cost per click a little bit each week. And there's a lot of sellers that do not do this. Actually, a majority of sellers. So you can see right here, this campaign, and you can see how much we pay per click. We only pay 2 cents per click. If you're paying $1, $3, $5 per click, it's very hard to make money. But if you're only spending 2 cents per click to your item, it's very easy to make money, but it does take time. So what you want to do is right click and you want to open one of your campaigns, and you want to do this every week. Once you're open your campaign, you're going to go to total targets right here, right click, open this. And you can see that we just have substitutes turned on for this one. The suggested bid is 39 cents, but we were able to get it all the way down to 2 cents. And what we did is each week, first we started it at 39 cents. Then we made sure it was spending money, and then we slowly lowered it by just 2 to 3 cents. So it was 39 cents, then we made it 37 cents, 35 cents, 33 cents the next week. It was a very slow process. What we wanted to check is each time we lowered it, was it still spending money? As long as it was still spending money, aka getting clicks, then we're good to go. And we finally got it all the way down to 2 cents. Now we can probably drop it down to 1 cent, but 2 cents is our sweet spot right now, and we're just leaving it there. And you can see we're getting tons of impressions, getting tons of clicks. You see 2,000 clicks. If we were spending $1 for these, that'd be $2,000. But since we're spending only 2 cents, it's only 50 bucks. So that's why our ROI is so good on items. It's about lowering the cost per click. Now, strategy number 2 is to create a highly refined category targeting campaign. Let me show you how to create that. So you're going to go into your campaign and click Create Campaign, Campaign Builder, Sponsored Products, Amazon. We're just going to do Amazon and beyond. You can name the ad group whatever you want. You're only going to pick one product. So let's pick this one right here. You're going to do manual targeting. You're going to scroll down, and we're going to do product targeting. And now this is what we're going to do. We're going to retarget our category. So what category we sell in. Now we can click refine and actually only target products that are in our category. So any competitors that are in your category, aka related to your product, you want to specify that you only want to target competitors that have a worse reviews than you. So pretty much our product that we're selling right now practically has 5 stars. It's like 4.9. So if we just target people who have worse reviews than us and we click add, right? So we're only targeting now products that have reviews that are worse than ours. And that's where our ad's going to show up. So this is going to help incentivize customers to buy from us and click on our listing, because everybody wants the product with the best reviews. So that could be one strategy. Another strategy is if you want to do price range. So somebody that's selling a product that's higher than yours. So let's say our product is $50. We can target anybody who's selling their product for a minimum of $60, right? 60 to 100, and then click add. And now it's only going to show our ads to products that cost more than ours. So when somebody clicks on a product that's like 60 bucks, they're going to see ours. It's only 50, plus our reviews are better, and they're most likely going to be buying from us instead of the competitors. This is a great way. Again, this strategy only works really well is if you start at the suggested bid, which is, I guess, $1.24, and you slowly lower that cost per click each and every week. You don't want to lower it too fast, or it's going to mess up Amazon's algorithm. But again, that's what you're going to want to do. So we're just going to do the star rating for now. Then we're going to click out of this. So we're just going to do that. We want to do down only. We don't want to be getting ripped off by Amazon. And then you're going to do the campaign name. And I'm just going to do, let's just do the ACoS So you put the ACID in there, and then it's going to be a category refine. So this is category refine, where we're targeting our category and refining it. So that way I know what type it is. Portfolio, you can start with $5 a day or $10 a day, up to you. And then you don't want to increase bids, and then you just launch the campaign. So that's another way. If your campaigns still are not doing well, or you're just not getting clicks, then it might be your listing. So if you go to our website in the link below, get a free listing audit. We'll tell you what's wrong with your listing, because if your listing isn't good, all of the strategies that I'm giving you will not work. In our listing audit, we're going to tell you what your images you can do to get your images to improve, your click-through rate, fun stuff like that, so your ads do well. But the last campaign strategy I'm going to be showing you is called an exact shield campaign. This is protecting your product, and it does have a low ACoS about 90% of the time. So if nothing's working, definitely try this out. Click create campaign. We're going to do sponsored products again. Let's scroll all the way up. Amazon and beyond. You're only going to choose one product. Manual targeting. But now we're going to be doing keyword targeting. Click enter list. And we're going to do exact match. And we're only going to do your brand name. So our brand name, let's say it's BioRift. You can do BioRift or BioRift biodegradable bags. These are something that people are typing in. So BioRift biodegradable bags. So you want some type of keyword that has your actual brand name in it. And that's what something that people are typing in, right? So again, this is an exact match where you're just retargeting your own brand name. And this again has a great and low ACoS. This is called a shield campaign. Shield exact. See, like this. Nope, I spelled shield wrong. EIL. Okay. And then you choose the portfolio and then the budget. And then usually you can get this cost per click down extremely low. Definitely below $1 no matter what. So those are the different types of campaigns. Make sure your listing is optimized. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to optimize your listings to make sure your ads are doing well. Also, we're going to be managing your ads, optimizing them, lowering their cost per click, dealing with Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.